Hello everyone. I have a 19 Super Duty that I'm going to replace the glass in on the driver's front door. It's cracked. I don't know how it happened, but we're going to go ahead and put a new one in it. I'm going to start by lowering the glass down 3/4 of the way down. Pull this trim plate off. Pull the 2 lower screws on the interior door panel. We'll lift this door handle trim off. There's 4 bolts. Remove those. Snap the lower section of the panel loose. Remove the upper trim. There's a screw behind it. Remove that one. Pop the panel loose and then lift it up and off. Remove the wiring from the master window switch and then the interior door release cable. There's insulation, got to remove. Start in one section. If you pull really fast and hard, it'll come off easier. Just like that. And pull the upper belt molding. The door speaker. And the door glass is held in by 2 plastic hooks on the regulator. I just use a trim stick and I wedge it in there and twist and lift up on the glass. You have 2 of those, one on each side of the regulator. And in workshop manual, they want you to pull the regulator assembly and the window channel, upper window channel, but you can still get them out of there if you work the back section of the glass up and the forward section down. You can angle it out of there. And lift it up. Looks like that thing's cracked on the across the entire corner. Now this glass is tempered safety glass. So it's kind of like a windshield. I think it's they call it an acoustic tempered with solar shield. There's the new glass. And we'll install it the same way. Put the front section of the glass down in first. Start it into the track. Then rock it up and in. And we'll slide it down. Just push this down and snaps into the 2 hooks on the regulator. we'll reconnect this master switch and operate it to make sure it's working good and there's no binding. It's working really smooth. And we'll reassemble it. Really easy job. Put the speaker back in. Stick the insulation back on. The upper molding back in. Snap in the master window switch. Plug in the wiring. Reconnect the door release cable. Start it on the door lock rod in the back first. Snap it on. Put the screws back in. Install the 4 bolts. Door handle trim, upper trim, the last piece. All right, easy job. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.